Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Triller. And if you don't know what is Triller, then Triller is also just like TikTok, and it's a video platform where you can upload your short videos. What you have to do is open your Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone and type in Triller. Now, if you see this icon, this is the application, what I'm talking about. And what you have to do is click on install. Now, as you know that TikTok is banned in India and also in US right now. And if you're looking for any alternative, Triller is a good solution for that. So you have to simply click on download and wait for it to complete download. Once it's downloaded, you have to click on open. Now, this is the interface and I will let you know how to use it. You have to click on get started on the bottom. You have to accept the agree and continue. Now you have to enter your date of birth. You have two options. You have to either log in to register your account with Triller, or you can continue with social media as well. If I click on continue with social media, I have different options, like I can continue with the help of Facebook, continue with Snapchat and Twitter as well, which is now called X. So if you're not interested in making an account with Triller, then you can also skip this part and test what the application is all about. As you can see, this is the application interface and it's just like TikTok. If someone doesn't know which app you're using, they probably guess that you are using TikTok right now. So it's so much closer to TikTok. If you double tap any video, it will like the video just like TikTok as well. If you swipe down, it will change the videos and you can scroll it infinitely, and basically it's just like TikTok. So there are two different options, following and for you page. So what you have to do in the following section, you have to actually make an account to see the following list. If you have any account, then you can follow others and others can follow you as well. Then there's this button where you can discover different things, just like top videos and something like that, which are top videos on the Triller right now. And you can, if you click on this icon, audio, you can select the audio which is trending right now. If you click on the profile icon, you have to register or log in to see your profile icon as well. So let's register and let's see how it works when we log in. Click on register or log in. So I will type in my email address. Now I have to set a password for this Trello account. Once I have set the password, I will click on continue, username to use in order to use Triller. I will click on enjoy Triller. Now my account has been successfully created. Now as you can see, it is giving me suggestions to find your friends on Triller. To find my friends, what you have to do is give the contacts permission to Triller so it can find out which one of your friends are on Triller right now. So I will simply skip this part and click on enjoy Triller. Now I can access my account section where I can see I have 0 followers and 0 following as well, because my account is just created. So if I go to the home section, where it will suggest me that find friends and content, it will give me some profiles or some accounts which I can follow. For instance, I can follow anything, this Triller TV, and now I'm following it. If I go to my profile section, you will be able to see the following list over here. And if you go to the home section, then you will see this icon. If you click on this icon, so it will be used to enable push notifications. I will click on right now, where I'll be able to see all of my activity, my likes, my comments, my followers, each and everything. So there's another button which is plus icon, which is on the bottom center of your screen. If you click on it, it will open your camera where you can record videos and short videos and add audios on your videos just like TikTok. And that's basically how you can use Triller. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.